On October 24th, Desert View High School precision manufacturing instructor Cesar Gutierrez received an amazing surprise. He was surprised by his family, faculty, students, and a check for $100,000. Mr. Gutierrez was one of only 3 winners of the National Harbor Freight Tools for Schools, an award given annually to support excellence in skilled trades education in public schools across the country. Harbor Freight said Mr. Gutierrez's passion and dedication to his students made him stand out.
This is yours. It's because of your hard work.
Of the $100,000, Desert View High School received $70,000, and Mr. Gutierrez will receive the other $30,000 for all of his hard work.